Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very emotional story for you. This story is not only for listening practice. It is also a story about love, betrayal, and kindness. So please listen carefully. Listen slowly. You can pause and repeat. This story may touch your heart. My name is Linda Parker. I am 59 years old. I live alone in a small old house in Brighton. This house is very quiet. Sometimes it feels too quiet. My husband died 8 years ago. After that day, my life became empty. I have only one child, a son. His name is Daniel. Daniel went to Canada many years ago. Now he lives there with his wife Sarah and their 2 children. Daniel has a good life. He has a big house. He has a good job. He is happy. But I am here, alone. Every morning, I wake up early. I clean the house. I wash the dishes. I cook food for myself. I eat alone. In the evening, I sit near the window. I look outside. I watch people walking. Families, children, couples. Nobody comes to see me. Daniel does not call me much. Sometimes he sends money. Sometimes he says, "Mother, I will come soon." But he never comes. Still, I wait, because I am a mother, and a mother never stops waiting. I keep Daniel's old photos in my room. Photos from his childhood. Photos of his smile. Every day, I look at them. I talk to them. I say, "My son will come one day." One day, someone knocked on my door. I was surprised. Nobody ever comes. I opened the door. It was Daniel. My heart stopped. I said softly, "Daniel, is it really you?" He smiled. He looked happy. I hugged him tightly. My eyes filled with tears. I could not speak. He came inside. I made tea for him. We sat together. I asked, "How is Sarah? How are the children?" He said, "They are all fine, Mother." Then I asked, "Why did you come?" He looked at me and said, "I missed you. You live alone. I worry about you. I want to take you to Canada." I became quiet. He said, "You are getting old, Mother. It is not safe for you here. In Canada, you will be happy. You will have your own room. You will see the children every day. Sarah also wants you to come." I listened, but my heart was heavy. I said slowly, "But this is my home. I was born here. I got married here. Your father lived here. I cannot leave this house." Daniel looked serious. He said, "This house is old. It is not good for you. In Canada, you will have everything." That night, I could not sleep. I sat alone. I thought again and again. What should I do? He was my only son. The next morning, Daniel said, "Mother, we should sell this house. You do not need it anymore. You will live with us. You can use the money for your new life." I looked at him. He smiled. I thought, maybe he truly loves me. So I said, "Yes." I sold my house. Daniel took the money. I packed my bag. We went to the airport together. I was sad, but I was also hopeful. I thought, I will not be alone anymore. At the airport, Daniel said, "Mother, wait here. I will bring a wheelchair. The way is long. You cannot walk so far. I will be back in 5 minutes." I said, "Okay." I sat on a chair. 5 minutes passed. 10 minutes passed. Daniel did not come back. 30 minutes passed. My heart felt uneasy. 45 minutes passed. I looked at every face, but Daniel was gone. 1 hour passed. I felt scared. Then a police officer came. The officer said, "Ma'am, are you waiting for someone?" I said, "Yes, my son. He is bringing a wheelchair. We are going to Canada." The officer asked for a photo. I showed Daniel's picture. I showed my ticket. The officer left. After a long time, he came back. His face was serious. He sat beside me. He said softly, "I am sorry. Your son boarded the plane alone. The plane has already left." I froze. I whispered, "No, my son loves me." The officer said, "I saw everything." Tears filled my eyes. My heart broke. The officer said, "My name is Robert Miller. You remind me of my mother. She died 5 years ago. Please come with me. My wife is kind. She will take care of you." That night, I stayed at their house. They gave me food. They gave me love. Days passed. Robert treated me like his mother. One day, the flight Daniel took crashed. No survivors. Robert knew, but he did not tell me. He did not want to break my heart again. I stayed with Robert and Olivia. They became my family. One day, Robert asked, "Do you want to go back to your old house?" I smiled and said, "I lost my house, but I found a home." Daniel was gone, but I found the son I truly deserved. What would you do if you were in Linda's place? Tell me in the comments below. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening.